Daily Dispatch, Day 97. The record button glitch. As the days go by, I'm getting increasingly frustrated by my inability to articulate thoughts verbally the moment a camera starts rolling. As the internal filing system comes back online, I've noticed a recurring glitch. The second I switch on the webcam or iPhone to record for TikTok or YouTube, my brain disintegrates. As far as I can tell, this is the manager of the executive suite, the prefrontal cortex, stepping in at the first sign of pressure. The moment the record button is pressed, the PFC initiates a shutdown. It's directly connected to the Neuro-Oscillatory Recalibration I talked about yesterday. The orchestra is still tuning up, and the manager doesn't think the band is ready for the audience yet. It's driving me crazy. To counter this, I've been using the sonic buffer and the hydrocontinuum protocols. While effective, they aren't exactly practical. I can't live in the shower, and playing guitar with headphones is useless if I'm trying to film a video. I needed a way to bring the rich spot into the recording space. I've been toying with the idea of a practice amp for the shed, but most small amps sound thin and tinny. Then I stumbled across the Positive Grid Spark Go. This thing is no bigger than an iPhone, rechargeable, completely wireless, and the sounds are controlled via an app. The tech is staggering compared to when I started. Back then, the best I had was a book and a cassette tape, Russ Shipton's Rock and Pop Guitar. The first song I ever learned was I Can't Get No Satisfaction, and my amp back then had two settings, clean or off. I remember the day I discovered distortion pedals. They could turn a mediocre guitarist into a rock star with one switch, mainly because the distortion had all the mistakes. The Spark Go arrives tomorrow. It has dozens of preset sounds, backing tracks, and live scrolling tabs. My hope is that by bringing this high-fidelity sonic buffer into the room, I can bypass the manager's shutdown and stop the scroll of a generation with the attention span of a goldfish. To catch them, I need a hook that hits the thalamus, the brain's sensory relay, instantly. The Spark's tones might be the frequency I need. The waffle is back, but at least I'm still here. The Daily Dispatch ends here, but the data continues. For the full forensic analysis, the daily metrics, and the complete 24-month roadmap, please visit deepseekandme.substack.com. The record is open. I'll see you at the next log.